Hi, some of you may recall the Nightmare Advent Calendar unboxing video I did last year. This was a spoof video that I intended purely to take the mickey. Don't get me wrong, I adore Advent calendars, but the quality has certainly come down over the last couple of years. And brands have wrecked it, taken all the pleasure out of Advent calendars. And it's become more greed than value. So this is just a video to share the marketing gimmicks involved, how we're being fooled, how we're being ripped off by overpriced tat that we're being sent. So it's just to take the mickey. It's just a fun video. Don't take this too seriously. Now, anonymous box ready, the same box I used last year. I highly recommend watching last year's if you haven't already. So off we go with this year's. Where's number one? Now what I've done is everything is recycled from last year, as you can see. Yeah, so I've got number one here already. Let's unbox this slip silk scrunchies. How exciting! Yeah, that's the first product. Number two. Of course, I don't have a 15ml bottle, people. I don't have a 15ml bottle. I only have a 7ml one. Augustina's Beta, the rich cream. This, in fact, is something, hang on, I have a statistical report of Augustina's Beta's rich cream appeared in 8 advent calendars so far this year, multi-brand ones. Flannels, Liberty, Selfridges, Spice and Cane, Net-a-Porter, Niche Beauty, John Lewis. So, of course, I've got to include it in the Nightmare Advent Calendar. Let's put that away and look at number 3. Which is number 3 here? Ah, this is number 3. What is it? Smaller than my nose. Yeah, it's so tiny. I almost inhaled it accidentally. Yeah, that is a Charlotte Tilbury mini pillow talk lipstick, people. Number 4. A sponge, a makeup sponge. Number 5. You know, that's quite big actually. Oh, it is a product that at least 4 advent calendars have included. A pouch. A pouch. How exciting. This is exactly the kind of new beauty you want to try, yeah? So let's put all that away and look for number 6 here. That is number 6. And this is... This works! Stress check, breathe in, roll on. Reeks of essential oils, that one. Yeah, so that's number 6. Number 7, I know I'm going very fast. I've got to film more videos after this and my lights iffy. Sol Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, which we're seeing in a number of advent calendars. Now here's the thing, this is 25 grams. This is 75 grams. Full size is 240 grams. 75 grams, which retails at 18 quid discovery size. 25 grams. This is what you get. Right. 8. Of course you know what this is, don't you? Ico eyeliner. This is the I Do eyeliner. Sometimes you may get the skinny eyeliner and whatever else eyeliner that they have. Number 9. Peter Thomas Roth, a mega rich body wash. And yeah, it was one of the few. I was looking for Dr. Pawpaw. I genuinely can't find Dr. Pawpaw in my stash right now. So yeah, it's disappeared. I've actually left out a number of brands here. Barbara Sturm, Pawpaw, an eyelash curler, one more hair product, sheet mask, under eye patches, nail file, even toothpaste. I can't find them. And I put together the whole thing hurriedly last night. So the next is number 10, which we have over here. And that is a Bramley shampoo. a Bramley shampoo. The reason I'm showing you this is because so many brands are sending just shampoo without the condition. And I want you to see that. That is why I am showing you just the shampoo without the condition. Number 11. Aurelia Miracle Cleanser, 30 mils. Again, like the Peter Thomas Roth, this is actually something that is remotely interesting in this advent calendar. Number 12 is next. Or whatever that is, just feel heavy. Oh dear me, I'm sorry everyone. Gua Sha still. This was there in last year's spoof advent calendar as well. It is a 1 repeat product from last year, but a Gua Sha stone. Where is my audit sheet? A Gua Sha stone appeared this year in ASOS, Selfridges, Net-a-Porter, Holland & Barrett, Espa, 5 or 6 advent calendars, people. It needs to be in the night advent calendar as well. Now that was number 12. Let's see if number 13 is unlucky or lucky. By Terry Bonderos. You see the tube and there's either of them in a number of advent calendars this year, so I figured I would add it too. Number 14. Malin & Good's Brightening Enzyme Mask. I have absolutely no idea where this is from. I suspect it was Space NK GWP. But the thing is, you know, I was unable to find Pawpaw and the rest, so I figured I'd stick to that. Number 15. Is the Bare Minerals Stroke of Light Eye Brightener, and you get, what, 1 mil is it? Possibly something like that, yeah? This is the size of the sample, people. Now, I'm just trying to show you how absurd this all is. That is no point. Number 16. Nice big chunky bottle in it. Orbe Dry Texturizing Spray. Here I needed to add at least 3 random hacker products that I couldn't give an arse about, and I only found one. I don't know, most of my stash seems to have vanished, gone into hiding the moment they got an inkling that I was doing this video. The next is number 17. I know what this is, I remember packing this. It is another product for which I will need my magnifying glass. Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle. We're seeing a lot of this, aren't we? Now, I know that they usually send out the 9 mil version of this. The 9 mil. This is the one that is usually sent out. But I want you to take the mickey thoroughly. So I added the, how much is this? The 3 mil. This is 3 mils, this is 9 mils. I want you to take the mickey a little further. So I am rather unjust because it is the 9 mils that is sent out. And then we have number 18. One skin has appeared in order cheat. Flannel skin store Net-a-Porter, look fantastic chest, Selfridges, Harrods, Liberty, L. 8 advent calendars. 8. So that is 111 skins. NAC Y2 Bright Eye Lift Gel. You don't even want to know how much the full size costs, I will tell you. Number 19 is next. Here that feels very soft and pliable. Makeup removing cleansing cloth. Makeup eraser. This is to take the mickey out of the tat that we saw in Glossy Box, yeah? Number 20. I have no idea what this is. You know, I've forgotten half the things I wrapped up. Oh yeah, Shantikai Mini Mascara. And yeah, that happens when I do that. Nobody cares. Number 21, everybody's favorite that appeared in UBT, Selfridges, John Lewis, Liberty, Holland & Barrett, and so on. Ren, Ready Steady Glow, AHA Tonic. So that's number 21. Number 22, James Reed fake tan, because why not? Last year I had fake tan from, I think it was Saint-Tropez. This year we have, let's have James Reed, yeah? Number 23, let's find where number 23 is, people. Yeah, this is number 23 in here. Something very tiny, it looks like. Oh yeah, this by itself was in one of the doors of the Skin City Advent calendar. One of the doors by itself. Dr. Levi, Switzerland, a stem cell. They had, I think, the eye product. This is the visitor serum. Exactly same thing was in the Skin City. Skin City, not Skin Store. Advent calendar. Which hasn't, at the time of filming this video, sold out. Normally, Skin City sells out within a couple of minutes of launching. This year, hasn't sold out after weeks and weeks. Why? I wonder why. $24. Now that is not a sword or a dagger, nor is it a medieval torture device. It is a facial roller that you hold perpendicular at a right angle and then do that. Gave me temporomandibular joint inflammation, TMJ. 25, huge, full-sized, very exciting. Ingenious Beauty Ultimate Collagen Supplement. Supplements. So, just for a laugh, those are the 25 products that I've curated in my Nightmare Advent calendar for this year. I am going to recycle the packaging for next year's Nightmare Advent calendar unless the quality of these Advent calendars improves substantially, which I don't really expect to happen. So next year you will, in all probability, hopefully I will be able to pick up the Pawpaw and the others by then. So you will see more of these Nightmare Advent calendar unboxings in the exact same box with the exact same wrapping being used, because why waste? So I'm going to be putting that away. I hope you enjoyed this one. What would you put in your Nightmare Advent calendar? Do tell me all of that. Do look at last year's Nightmare Advent calendars unboxing, because there are a lot of things that I did not include this year because it was already there last year. I'll tell you what they are in a nutshell. I do have notes somewhere. 2020. Gua Sha, Jade Roller, Huda Palette, NARS Mini Orgasm blush, that was last year. Eve Long Cleanser, Mane and Tail Hand Cream, Regenerate Toothpaste, Saint-Tropez Trentan, Under Eye Patches, This Works, Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, Pixie Glow Tonic, Nude Sticks, Fresh Soy Cleanser, Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, Random Body Cream of some sort. Beda Rich Cream was there last year as well. Vita Liberata Trantanas, well, and a sheet mask, and that was a 10-in-1 drawer with mini lip glosses and things. So Iconic London Illuminator, Elemis Pro Radiant something, Illuminating Balm. So yeah, way hair care products. And there were products that I already included last year, that's why they're not there this year, but definitely stay tuned for next year to see what happens. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, please do hit the subscribe button, please do ring the notifications bell. Speak to you soon.